Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. For whoever is new here, thank you for popping in. For the returning subscriber, thank you so much. You means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Don't take nothing for granted. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are. My name is Jacqueline. The ones who don't know me. I basically do vlogs. Sometimes I do gaming too, but mostly I focus on vlogs. As you can see right now, I'm trying to make some vegetables, which is like cabbage. So I'll just make this cabbage as I talk to you guys, as we chat a little bit. Yeah, it's lunch. So it's time to cut cabbage. So this is how we do cut the cabbage. Wow, nice. And fast. You cut it fast. Remember when we were growing up, when you go to the market and those people used to cut cabbage so fast, you are like, it's like a machine, you know? That's me now. Yeah, that's me. You don't even have to look when you're cutting, because you can do it very fast. Yeah, interesting. And this cabbage is really green and soft. This one will be really yummy. This one, and it smells good already. You can eat even like this. You don't have to cook it, you know. I'm still cutting my cabbage. So, I'll finish up. You see, I already cut half of it. So, let's do this faster. Okay. And then I'll peel the carrots. And then when I peel the carrots, I'll grate them. Because I like to peel the carrots. Some people, they just wash the carrot, they don't peel them. Me, I like peeling my carrots. And then I grate them, and then I'll put just maybe 2 tomatoes. Not too much tomato. This cabbage, it looks like it's too much, but it's not. It's only that it's a young cabbage, so it's not like firm. It's bogo, if you understand what I mean. I mean bogo, like bogo, you know? Yeah, you don't cut your cabbage and look at the thing, because you might cut your fingers. Me, I'm a professional cabbage cutter. Okay? Yeah, so we'll do the carrots and then we'll see what. Hey, now it's carrots time. I have this thing to peel my carrots. You just do like that, you peel it. I have to peel them, then wash them, and then I have to grate them with the cabbage. That's how I like my cabbage. These carrots, they broke into pieces. Weird. I don't know why. Oh, I think I needed. Yeah, so that's how I do, and then I'll grate them. Okay? I cut the carrots and I eat as I grate them, and then I'll grate them. Hey! Okay. I found something is rotten over there. Let's cook this cabbage now. Yes, let's do that. The onion, you cut the onion first. Another onion. I like 2 onions. And some oil. Not too much. I'm not putting tomatoes in this. I'm not putting no tomatoes in this cabbage because it's giving me heartburn. I don't know. Too much acid. Anyway, the other spoon has tomatoes, so I won't put tomatoes in it. Okay? Tomatoes? Not tomatoes. What is this called first? The carrots. So they will give, sorry, the pan is so noisy. Tomato soy will give the cabbage color first. And after I do that, on the tomatoes, not tomatoes, why am I talking about tomatoes? It's carrots I'm making. I put some cabbage, and then I'll put salt after I put the whole cabbage. Because cabbage, when you cook it, it shrinks. I don't want to put salt now because the cabbage might shrink and then I'll put too much salt. And then I can't eat it, so I'll just put. It's looking good, it's giving already. You see the color? Wow. Wow, this is very good. To use the heater. So guys, you see I'm making my cabbages. So what I'm gonna eat with today, I want to make these sweet potatoes. I just washed them. I'll just peel them. They are very nice sweet potatoes, very yummy. I'll peel them and then I'll cut them into half and then I'll bake them. I'll take you through the process how I'll bake them in my air fryer, and that's what I have for my lunch. I like sweet potatoes instead of the regular fries. I like to make fries with the sweet potatoes. So let's see how they come out, okay? Yeah, patience. Yeah, so I'm peeling it right now. Some people, they like to bake it with the peel, but I like to peel it. Yeah, because it's a little bit dirty. So let's do this. I tell you, I'm a chef. Wow. I need to open a restaurant. Okay. So guys, for the potatoes, I peeled the sweet potatoes. Now you have to take your knife and poke them inside so that they will cook faster. You pretend as if you're slicing them, but you're not slicing them, okay? You just make incisions inside. Yeah, we are putting surgical terminologies here now. And then you cut it into half so that they will cook faster in the oven, in the thin oven. And then you poke it again like that so that they will cook faster. Ooh, a giant fry. I'm making giant fries. And the other one, oh, that's a big one. I don't know if we're gonna fit there or I'm gonna cut it into two. You cut it into half so that they cook faster too. And then you poke again. Go poking like that. Don't try this at home with a knife. Be careful when you're doing this. And then guys, we'll put little oil. Maybe it's good to put it in your hand like that. And then massage these potatoes with the oil. So when you put in the oven, it won't be so dry, okay? Yeah, so right now I'm putting, the potatoes just and shower. The shower was just chilling. So after the potatoes have shower, you just put oil on them so that they won't be crusty, okay? Even potatoes need oil. Not only human needs oil after you take shower, you need to moisturize the potatoes too, okay? So these ones now are set to pop them in the oven in the next 1 minute, okay? So I'll reset. I'm using this toaster oven. I'll use this one to cook, to do my potatoes. Anyway, let me clean up this mess first and then I'll pop that in. Okay. So guys, let's pop this thing in the oven. So as you see, this oven thing, this what is it called? Oh God, it's called air fryer. It comes with when you buy it, so that you don't have to be cleaning it all the time, you buy these papers to spread your whatever you are baking in there. So I'll set my potatoes here. Remember, I peeled my sweet potatoes and I oiled them. I put oil after they and whatever. So you put the potatoes there. Yes, they are long enough, but I'll pop them the way they are. Oh dear, this one can't fit. I think I have to cut it into half. Like that and like that, and the other one I'll pop over there. Anyway, you'll turn after a few minutes. Okay? So after you do that, you pop them in this thing. You put them in here, which I'll put them in there, and then I set the air fryer for 29 minutes at 390 degrees. That's how much this air fryer can go. So I'm trying to put with this paper because I don't want to clean this thing after. Okay? So that's how they look inside. That's how they look. And then I'll pop in them in that little oven. Now they are cooking. As you can see, they are cooking. And that's how it looks like when they are cooking. They are here. They are cooking now. They are baking. And I set it 29 minutes for 390 degrees. And I know you can see my mango here. Yeah, my mango is there, is waiting for me. I'll eat it. So I'll come and check when this thing is cooked and we'll see how it goes. And thanks guys for watching. Now I'm gonna have my cabbage and my chicken and my sweet potato, baked sweet potato. So this is the thing I told you they come with. So guys, I want to tell you thank you so much for watching my show. And now I have to go. I'll see you on the next one. These potatoes, it just comes out there like the whatever. I just wanted to show you how you do, like you have to slice them and poke them, and then yeah, that's how it is. Bye guys, see you on the next one. I have to go eat my potatoes and my mango. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is the food for today. It's cabbage and grated carrots and onion. I didn't put tomato.